So I think I've got a bit of work to do here. I thought I was going okay, but I haven't qualified very well. I'm near the back. Circuit de Navara, Formula 4 1600. Lovely track. It's a short, fast track, so it's quite a lot of fun. Not many corners, just lots of straights and flat out, so we'll see. Be a bit of slipstreaming, I imagine. Just want to get through the first few laps without getting in any trouble. This is the hardest bit of the track, really. Just getting around here without going off. Some ambitious people. I think I'm going to work my way to the back again. Looks like it, doesn't it? I don't know why this guy is easing up, but anyway. Should all be flat out along here. It'll be interesting to see if we can pick up any pace, because I'm a bit slower than I thought I was going to be, I have to say. Getting your braking right here is important. Lots of engine braking to help. Okay, I got this guy coming up. We do a double header, so we'll have another go.
On your left. Clear on the left.
This yellow car's taking some odd lines. He's getting in the way a little bit. Anyway, we've got the slipstream, I think. It'd be nice to make some progress. This guy's going to come by, so we are making our way all the way to the back.
17.304.
Clearly a lot slower than I thought I was round here.
Still there.
I'll have to let him go here, because this is, like I say, this is the tricky bit. This is where people are going to go off.
Infinite ahead. Go right.
As I said.
Go right. You're on the right. 3 wide. Car on your left. 2 wide.
So we made up a few spaces, haven't we?
Car on your left. Clear.
Okay. He's going to get the slipstream, although he's dropped. I think he's got some damage.
Car right.
Right, he did a good job braking there, didn't he? Blimey. Didn't think he'd get stopped, but he did. Maybe that's where I'm losing time on the brakes then.
Left side.
I'm a bit quicker there, but not a lot I can do about it, is there really? I've got the slipstream. Leaders have got away by the looks of it.
8.328.
Yeah, that yellow car.
You're on the right. 3 wide. Left side. 2 wide.
Yeah, I want to get away from this guy.
You're on the right. 3 wide.
Oh, for goodness sake.
Left side.
What was that about? Oh my goodness. Yeah, no chance. What was that about?
All the damage is repairable.
So I'm just keeping out of their way. These two just got together, didn't they? That's what's happened. Oh, for God's sake. Oh. Not a lot I could do about that. I'm just trying to keep out of their way. Oh, Jesus. The bomb being at the back, isn't it? Well, I'll finish the race and I'll see you on the grid for the next one. And we're back. So I finished the last race. I was 11th out of 12. So I didn't really do anything. Did a few more laps, so got a bit more knowledge of the track.
Green flag.
We qualified 5th, so still not fast. Faster than last time, but still not fast. Half a second away from the leader. So I guess it's just about getting through, not getting involved in anyone else's accident if we can. I mean, there's not a lot I could do about that last race, I don't think, but just getting through this section in particular.
Clear. Car right.
Oh.
Clear.
I mean, what have I got to do? What have I got to do? I mean, that's not me, is it?
Car looks fine. No damage.
No damage. Okay, well, that's good news, and I'm not too far back. But, not my week, is it, this week? Bloody hell. Let's see what we can do. Let's just pretend I started from the pit, shall we? Let's get after him. See what we can do. My idea was to try and sort of keep with that lead group and get dragged away from the mayhem behind, and that didn't work, did it? So 3 seconds behind. They're all pretty quick, so no one's going to just drop back into my grasp, I don't think. How annoying that is.
2.25.
Oh dear. And I was being careful. Keeping out of people's way. People can't resist, can they? Trying to win it in that first couple of turns, that's what happens. They break late, they see a gap. Just go for it. Anyway, 3.85. We're not getting any closer. They got a slipstream and I haven't. I don't know if I'm going to be able to catch them up at all. 4 seconds now, look.
10 minutes to go.
Uh, 2.94, so we closed it up a bit under braking there. Must have had a problem ahead. Yeah, there's a bit of a gap, look. So something's happened, hasn't it? But again, they've got slipstreams, so can I do anything? So 105 the leader's doing, look. I can't get into the 105s.
6.439.
Yeah, it's about my limit, I think.
There's an incident ahead. Car stopped on the right. You got it. Slow car on the right.
Okay, we've got some people to race then by the looks of it. I can just get a slipstream, that'll help me. Just a bit too far away, but we'll see. Maybe close up under braking if I can.
Slow car ahead. Car stopped ahead. Go left. There's an incident ahead. Go left.
Well, the people we were going to race have all disappeared. So we've got Alex ahead, have we? I was racing him in the last race. He was behind me. Couldn't catch, so I'm hoping that maybe we were a similar pace, so maybe we can drag each other forward. I don't know. 9th. So it's still not great, is it really? And I've got a bit of a cold today. It's a bit of a pain. Gosh, big stone flying up there. I'm normally pretty good round here. I don't know why I'm so slow at the moment. I've got a big chunk of time to find. I feel like I must be in the wrong gear somewhere, because I shouldn't be this slow. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm wondering if one of these corners should be second rather than first, but I don't know. We're within the slipstream range anyway. See if we can do anything about him, and maybe some others will have problems and we'll get some more spots. Closer now. You can see two ahead. Actually, a whole group ahead look like they're battling. So there's always a chance they could come together, isn't there?
1.24. That was your fastest lap of the session.
Okay, I'm right with him now. So we might be able to get him. He's off here though.
Right side. Still there. Clear on the right.
Just going to hold each other up, aren't we?
Left side. Clear on the left.
Okay. Well. Yeah, can we catch those ahead?
6.605. Car right. Keep to the left. Clear.
I can hear a lot of skidding behind me. Has he gone off? I think he has, hasn't he? I don't think I touched him. No, I got no contact or anything. He just tried to tough it out, didn't he? And it didn't work. So, wait. 6 seconds behind. And there's a big group ahead. If they can battle, we might catch up. 6 seconds. 5 minutes to go. It's my only chance of some decent points. This is the last week of the championship.
The leader is running 5.627.
They got the slipstream, so they're going quicker than us.
6.579. 5 minutes to go. Car stopped ahead.
There's one. How slow are they going? I haven't got the slipstream quite, but I might if I get a bit more momentum than them. I'm closing in a bit. How much damage have they got? Yeah, we got the momentum, got the slipstream now. Yeah, we're in the slipstream.
Go right.
And they're off. Okay. 7th. And they're still battling ahead, so there's still a chance, although they're 7 seconds ahead now. Picking them off one by one, aren't we?
4, 6, 1.
Need to keep looking out for the yellow, don't I? I see a bit of yellow, I know I've got a chance. Oh, we're going quicker though, aren't they? All going quicker than me. Oh, a flashy yellow then. Come on, guys. Not getting any closer. They've got the slipstream. It just drags them away. And they're going quicker than me, aren't they?
The car in P3 just set the fastest lap. 5.4.
Frustrating.
6.392.
Yellow behind, but I need it in front of me. Big pile up, that's what we want. Not that I'd wish that on the competitors, but it would really help us. Miles ahead now, aren't they?
The car in P4 just set the fastest lap. 5.379. The car behind is pitting. 6.547.
Second a lap slower we are. Oh, yellow ahead. That's good news.
You got a slow car on the right.
Are they going slow for long enough? Doesn't look like it, does it? Doesn't look like it.
White flag.
Okay, white flag.
The car in P5 just set the fastest lap. 5.365.
Okay, I think that's it.
332.
I think he's away, isn't he? Oh, 2 races where I got murdered. Not what I was hoping for. Well, let's make it my best lap, shall we? Just anyway. Oh, not good. Well, let's have a look at that incident that took me out.
You got it, slow car.
And then we'll have a look at the results. Okay, that was the start then. So we got away okay, not too bad. We're closing in on the car ahead. Got car number 3 behind, just closing in a little bit. They got a slipstream from the cars ahead, so I haven't really got one. I'm just keeping out to the left, out the way, being cautious. You know, not trying to make up places, trying not to lose them, but, you know, just getting through. And then we have this car here on the right-hand side come straight in and just drift wide straight into me. I mean, a pretty weak crash, to be honest. I can see why I didn't get any damage, but just so frustrating, you know. People just overcommit those first couple of corners, and I paid a price. Anyway, what else happened? So what's this then? Oh, is that same car? Yeah, I think it is. Well done, mate. Now what have we got? Oh, just overcommitted on the brakes, and oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Yeah. And we came through. These are hard corners here. Definitely very hard corners to get right. Just a little touch. This is me. So what happened here then? Oh, he hit the curb. Nothing to do with me then. Not my fault. Oh, yeah. Clearly that curb's a problem, isn't it? Because he did the same thing. And now what's going to happen? Oh, not having a good day, is he, that guy? Oh, and he took off the other guy. He didn't hold his brakes. Oh, what's he going to do then? Just spin out, yeah. Just spin out. Off you go. And that was it. Well, let's have a look at the results, shall we? Well, not great. Lost some safety rating. Lost some I rating. Not as bad as last time. Top split that was, would you believe? Fastest lap, 1053. My best lap was a 1061. So, 8 tenths off. 6 or 7 tenths. Well, 6 tenths off the leader. Yeah. Not good. I don't know why I'm so slow. Not sure what I'm doing wrong there. I haven't had a lot of practice, but I know the track and I know the car, so I'd expect to be going a bit quicker than that. But anyway, still had fun, didn't we? So before we go, we just have a look at the series standings. So I'm 100th at the moment. I don't think I'm going to get any higher than that, and I could drop even further in Division 2. Where am I? I'm 39th. So again, I don't think I'm going to get any higher than that. So, you know, could have been better. I'll try again next season, I think, and see, maybe choose a different... maybe try the MX-5s. We'll see. I haven't decided yet, but I'm not sure if I like doing a season or not. I mean, it's good to do the same car every week. I don't know what you think. Just put a comment if you want to see me do seasons. But yeah, I guess I've enjoyed it. Didn't end as I wanted. I wanted some better results, but that happens. Anyway, if you want to see that, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.